In this video, I'm going to be talking about adding structured data or schema to a Wix website. Um, so I was looking at some other content on this topic, and I've been doing this for a while now. I've never really looked up how to do this. I just kind of figured it out. But for people who are looking it up and trying to do it on different types of websites, you gotta understand a couple things. So first off, there's gonna be types of schema that you want on every page of your website. Second off, there's gonna be schema that you want on very specific pages of your websites. So that's where adding schema, you gotta be strategic. So first off, I use this tool to help me generate schema markup. Just straight up, I'm gonna tell you that, so then you know. So if I'm doing like a local business schema, this is kind of what I'd fill out here. Like hearing weird. Okay. So I'm just gonna do organization one, so you kind of get an idea for what I'm doing. Just organization. I'm just gonna do myself, Paul and Jetty, SEO. Alternate name is probably Paul and Jetty. URL is, and then I want to just actually get my real website domain here. Paste. Logo URL. Open image, a new tab, Paul and Jetty logo. Great. Grab that, paste it. Awesome. So then if I had social profiles I wanted to add, I would do that there. But I do not. So here's my script. So I logged into Wix and then I clicked on edit site. So that's all I've done now. I also have created this article that walks you through adding rich markup to a Wix website. And then I'm going to link that in the bottom so you kind of know exactly what I'm talking about. But you log into your Wix website, you click select and edit site on the back end. You go to the settings in the top bar and you go to tracking analytics. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to click edit site, and then settings, tracking and analytics. Cool. So seems like I'm going to have to do this on a website that is connected to a domain and also upgraded. So now you kind of know that information. So I'll be back on a website that is both of those things. Cool. So now I'm here on a site that is both of those things. And then when I go to settings, I'm going to scroll down to tracking and analytics. And you can see I've already actually added schema to this website because this is a website that I've already done some Wix SEO on. It's not fully optimized, but I was just getting everything set up for the sake of it. So you click new tool and then you want to click custom right here. So what this custom code is doing is essentially adding new code into your header that is allowing you to, that is triggering on specific pages or on all pages. So you paste the code here that you get from your schema. And then, it's generally good to name it. So I might name this like organization schema. And then I want to make sure that the code loads once on every page. So that's how schema works. When it comes to the organization, local business schema, you want to make sure that it's triggering on every single page. Let me see what other ones might work like that. That's pretty much it. The article schema, you're going to put specific URLs that you're targeting, as well as when you're doing recipe schema, you're putting the information of the image URL as well as the URL of the video and stuff like that. So you're going to want to make sure that that is only triggering on one specific page and not on every page. So that's kind of what you can do inside of this. You can choose specific pages here that you can trigger it on, or you can just do it on all pages. And this one we're going to do on all pages. So there we go. That's pretty much all you need to do to add this schema to your website. And I'm just going to delete it because we don't need it. And then what you want to do is take the URL of your website, and then you go to the structured data testing tool offered by Google. And I will link this in the bio so that you have it. But you paste it here, and then you click Run Test. And then what this is doing is essentially doing like an index of the page to see if your schema is there. And we have the schema here, and it's triggering correctly. So that's how you can implement, how you can generate the structured data, and then you go to the Wix tracking tools and analytics, and that's where you can add a new custom code tool that can fire on every page and have Google understand your schema. So I've also seen a lot of people say that structured data doesn't really affect SEO, or it might not really affect it so much, and it will only not affect your SEO if there is no strategy behind it. If you have a recipe website, or if you're a local business and just adding that, you probably won't see any traction from it. But if you're doing like anything with recipes, if you're posting articles, if you're doing news, if you're doing how-tos, if you're doing any like frequently asked questions, you want to make sure that you're using structured data to put your content in front of people that are looking for it. Excuse me. That was a big sneeze. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. And if you need more information or the exact how-to, click the link in the description, and it'll teach you exactly what I taught you in this video. So thanks for watching.